Welcome to SMAT Guru classes. So we consider today very interesting topics of speed, distance, and time. One technique consider technique number 6. Very interesting. First we consider technique number 6. When two persons A and B travel distance D between 2 points P and Q. Between 2 points P and Q, distance is D. Speed with speeds A and B. A speed is A, B speed is B respectively. And B reaches Q first, returns immediately and meet A at R. Then distance traveled by A, this is PR, 2 into D into A by A plus B. Distance traveled by B, this is PQ plus QR, equal to 2 into D into B by A plus B. So this is our technique. I repeat this one. So this distance, this to this P to Q distance is D, and A and B together starts from point P. They are running in this way, and B here given A and B travel distance D between 2 points P and Q. P to Q, their distance is D, total distance is D. And speed of A is A and speed of B is B, their speed. And B reaches Q first. B starts from here. B reaches Q first, again come back. That means in this way, again come back in this way. So speed of B is more than speed of A. So speed of B, immediately they run first and B reaches Q, again come back and A gradually in A speed in this way and both are meet at R. That means B starts from here, reaches the destination, again come back and meet A at point R. This. So distance traveled by A travel this distance PR and B travels this whole and this. So this one our formula, distance traveled by A, that means PR. This is for A. Distance covered by A, this distance 2 into D into A by A plus B. And distance traveled by B start from here, coming here and come back at meet at R. So this is PQ plus QR, this. And formula is 2 into D into B by A plus B. Distance for A, then numerator is A and A plus B. Distance for B, numerator is B, other same. 2 into D A and 2 into D B, and denominator same. This is the distance traveled by A and traveled by B. Distance covered by A, covered by B. So this is our formula. Just one is faster than other and one going to the destination and come back at meet of another person at the point R. Then this distance and whole distance is, this is the formula. Now let us consider one problem. Shonu and Monu travel from point P to Q. Suppose this point P and this point Q. A distance 42 km. This distance is 42 km. At 6 km per hour and 8 km per hour. Shonu speed is 6 km per hour and Monu is 8 km per hour respectively. Monu reaches Q and returns immediately and meets Shonu at R. So Shonu Monu start from here. Monu reaches Q and meet Shonu at R. Find the distance from point P to R. P to R, what is the distance? This is the formula. 2 into D into A by A plus B. Now solution, what are given here? Here, what are given? Capital D equal to 42 km. And A speed speed of Sonu is 6 kilometer. 6 kilometer per hour. And Mono B equal to 8 kilometer per hour. Now our requirement, find the distance from point P to R. Distance from, that means distance traveled by Sonu. That means Sonu 6 kilometer per hour Sonu, that means PR we have to find. This is 2 into D into A by A plus B. These are formula. This formula. Very nice. So 2D means 42, A means 6, and this is 6 plus 8. This is 2 into 42 into 6 by 14. 14 3s are 42. This is 6, this is 6, this is 36. This 36 we get kilometer. That means Sonu traveled 36 kilometer. This is the answer. Another problem we consider, this is the cousin of previous problem, own cousin. So the problem is that two men A and B travel from point P to Q, a distance of 84 km at 12 km per hour and 16 km per hour respectively. B reaches Q and returns immediately and meet A at R. Find the distance from P to R. So this problem given, this is PQ point, their distance is 84 kilometer. This kilometer given, and A and B start from here. A and B. A speed is 12 kilometer per hour and B speed is 16 kilometer per hour. And obviously A is faster than B because this is speed is more than A speed. So B reaches Q and returns immediately. Reaches Q and returns immediately in this way. And meet A at R point. Now what is the distance P to R we have to find. The option given 72 km, 76 km, 78 km, 68 km and none of this. Now solution, we solve this problem by using technique number 6. Here what are given, here A equal to given or D equal to given 84 km and A equal to given 12 km per hour, B equal to given 16 km per hour. So our requirement, distance traveled by A, distance traveled by A equal to 2 into D into A by A plus B. This is our formula. 2D means 84, A means 12. This is 12 plus 16. This is 2 into 84 into 12 by, this is 28. 28 3s are this, and this one 6. 6 2s are 12 and 6 1 7. 72 kilometer. This is our answer. So option A is our answer. So distance traveled by A equal to, distance traveled by A equal to 2 into D into A by A plus B. Putting the value, we get 72 kilometer. This is our answer. Very nice solution, very easy solution. To consider another types of problem, but easy. With a uniform speed, a car covers a distance in 8 hours. Had the speed be increased by 4 km per hour, the same distance could have been covered in 7 hours 30 minutes. What is the distance covered? Option given: 420 km, 480 km, 520 km, and 640 km. Now we want to find this. So let the speed distance be, let the distance be d kilometer. Distance be d kilometer. Now case 1 is speed equal to distance by time, and distance d and time given 8 hour this. And case 2 then speed is speed s plus 4 kilometer per hour. If speed increase by 4 kilometer per hour, then time taken this. Then time equal to 7 hour 30 minutes. That means 7 and this hour. 30 means 30 by 60, then 1 by 2. Then 15 by 2 hour. So we get this. Therefore, since speed equal to distance by time, so speed is s plus 4 and distance is d and time is 15 by 2 hour. So this will be, we know the value of s d by 8, putting here d by 8 plus 4, this is 2d by 15, we get this, and this will be 2d by 15 minus d by 8 equal to 4. Taking this one on right hand side, 2d by 15 by d by 8 equal to 4, and LCM is, this is LCM, we get 120 is LCM, and this is, so this is 15 8 times 8 into 2 16, and this is 15 times 15. Ultimately we get d. 16 minus 15, we get d, 1d. This is 4 and d equal to 480. Multiplying this on right hand side, 480 kilometer. So option B. This is the correct option and this is our answer. So simple concept you have to know. Just speed equal to distance by time. These are given ready-made. Just putting this, ultimately we get our result. So I hope you are all enjoying with me. If you are all enjoying, then please like this video. Not in this way. This is not good. This is best. So like in this way. And if you are new in my channel for getting new videos at the very beginning, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.